Welcome back. My name is Sergey. I'm the owner of Architectural Mall. Today I want to talk to you guys about Corbels and what we do. We had an architect recently contact us and send us a schematic drawing of an existing house that had some corbels, which you could see right there. From there, we had the builder take pictures of the existing cornice, send it to us. We CNC'd the actual piece out of a high density polyurethane so that we can create the mold. And then we cast it in our full cast lightweight GFRC product. We can do that not only in the GFRC product, we can also do it in the polyurethane. This is a little bit more decorative, but same thing. Customer wanted these up on the wall and he wanted these next to the fireplace. So the polyurethane, cast GFRC. Same mold, therefore you don't have to try and pick styles that match. Send us your drawings and let us help you today. Thank you.